Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to check out these wireless audio glasses. Now you can find these at Walmart for under 20 bucks. And these are smart glasses. And we're going to go ahead and find out if it was a smart decision to buy these. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Usually when you hear the words smart glasses, you immediately think of products that cost well over $100. That's why these caught my attention. For less than 20 bucks, you get Bluetooth audio, polarized lenses, hands-free calling, and even voice assistant support. So let's go over the specs, features, and see what these glasses actually offer. First, these are Bluetooth smart glasses that connect to both Android and iPhone devices. Pairing is simple. Just turn on the glasses, activate Bluetooth on your phone, and connect them like you would a pair of wireless earbuds. One of the biggest features is the open air speaker design. Instead of placing earbuds directly into your ears, the speakers are built into the arms of the glasses. This allows you to listen to music while still hearing what's happening around you. That's actually one of the biggest advantages of this design. If you're walking, exercising, driving, or just relaxing outside, you can enjoy your music without completely blocking out your surroundings. These glasses also include a built-in microphone, which means you can answer phone calls without reaching for your smartphone. If you're busy working, cleaning, or exercising, that's definitely a convenient feature. Another nice addition is voice assistant support. You can activate Siri on an iPhone or Google Assistant on an Android device directly from the glasses. That's a feature usually found on more expensive wearable devices. When it comes to battery life, weariQ claims up to 10 hours of music playback or talk time on a single charge. That's actually pretty impressive for a budget product. There's also very little standby power consumption, so the battery shouldn't drain quickly when the glasses aren't being used. According to the product information, standby time can reach around 200 hours. The glasses use Bluetooth 5.0 technology and support a wireless range for up to 50 feet. Which should be more than enough for everyday use. Let's go ahead and talk about the lenses. Now, these aren't just regular sunglasses. The polarized lenses help reduce glare while also providing UV 400 protection. That makes them both useful for driving, walking, cycling, fishing, hiking, or any other outdoor activity. The frame itself is lightweight and designed for all-day comfort. The glasses also carry an IPX4 water-resistant rating, which means they can handle sweat, light rain, and accidental splashes. However, don't expect these to replace a premium pair of headphones. Based on customer feedback, the sound quality seems to be good for podcasts, audiobooks, phone calls, and casual listening. Music lovers who expect deep bass and high-end audio may be disappointed. Another thing to keep in mind is sound leakage. Since these are open-ear speakers, people around you might be able to hear what you're listening to if the volume is turned up. Still, I think the biggest selling point here is the value. For just $18, you're getting Bluetooth, open-ear audio, hands-free calling, voice assistant support, polarized UV lenses, water resistance, and up to 10 hours of battery life. Are these the best smart glasses on the market? Probably not. But are they one of the best tech bargains that you can find at Walmart under 20 bucks? Yeah, I'd say so. Definitely in the top 10. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to try smart glasses without selling one of your kids, these wireless smart glasses are definitely worth checking out. I think I really like these wireless audio glasses. These things are really cool and they're useful, especially if you're trying to talk on a telephone or listen to music while trying to keep a low profile. And as you can see, you can really hardly tell these apart from real glasses. I'm wearing the audio glasses right now, and these right here are my real glasses. You can hardly tell. But what I really want to know is what you all think. So go ahead, put your comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.